over there. Hey kiddos! I'm going to go over today how we're going to do marbling in class. So what we're going to need is some shaving cream, many pretty colored paints that I will be mixing for you, so don't worry. Plastic ruler for scraping off the shaving cream. A little pipette to squeeze the paint out. And then I'm using a paintbrush, but really you can use anything at all. You just need it to be kind of like a stick of some type that you're going to use to make the swirling designs in it. So we're going to start, oh yes, and one other thing. You also need something to do it in. So we used a lining and a plastic bin for us. So you start with your shaving cream, and this I will help you do. So once I get my shaving cream in, I want to wipe it flat. To be about the size, probably a little bit bigger than the piece of paper I want to put in there. Also, as you can see, you don't want to be wearing any long sleeve clothing because you will get shaving cream on it. And it's probably better if you tie your hair back so it can't get into this. While it will wash off, you will have to spend the day with shaving cream on you. Okay, as soon as you have the shaving cream wiped out like this, so about the size of your paper, nice and smooth, I'm going to take my pipette and pick some colors. Let's see, I think I'm going to do cool colors, so I'll do some purpley pink, drip in. And you don't have to do a lot of it. As you can see, I'm only filling my pipette up this much. So only one squeeze worth of paint. I'll do just a little red, not a lot. And let that drip. Then try some blue maybe. Little bit of green. And some pink, I think. Then we'll call it good. So I'll bring this up so you can see it. So this is what it looks like right now. Ooh. Oh well. So before it ran, it was just a lot of paint dots. Now I'm going to take my stick and just kind of draw a design in it. And it's going to pull the colors so they make an interesting design. Really, you can do anything you want. You just don't want to mix it too much. You still want there to be white parts as well. Otherwise, all the colors will blend all together and you won't really get the swirling pattern that we want. So once you're happy with how it looks, you'll take your paper and just lightly, don't push, just do little pats. You're gonna push just a little bit, smooth it down, and then you're going to take it from the edges and peel it up. So this is what it looks like so far. But I have to get all of that shaving cream off of it now. So I'm going to take my plastic ruler and just gently scrape this off. You don't want to scrape very hard because the paper is a little wet and it's much easier to break right now. So I'm going to scrape it off. Then I'll just wipe it on the edge of my box. And this is the paper that I made. So you guys can see it. I think it looks pretty cool. So now, while there are a lot of colors still in there, so I don't need to get new shaving cream yet. I can just add some more colors or swirl it again, and I can get a couple different pieces of paper just from this one batch of shaving cream. So let's see, what color should I add? I want to add a new color this time, so I'll try yellow this time, maybe. Yellow. And, maybe a light, no, purple. Purple's still my favorite. Then we'll add purple. So since there is paint left over from the first time I did it, I don't really need to add much more the second time. Now again, I'm going to take my stick and make a design in it. Just swirl it around. Or you could maybe make a heart shape, or pretty much anything's fine. I like to go up, down, up, down, up, down, then side, 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 side. I think that makes a really cool pattern. Let's do one circle in the middle. Now I'll take my paper. Smooth it down in the shaving cream, nice and gently. You don't have to push very hard. Grab two sides and pull it up. Ooh, interesting. Take my ruler and scrape this extra shaving cream off. Oh, I like how the yellow turned out. Ugh. Messy. Ooh, that's a nice swirl in there. And this is how my new one showed up. I actually really like it with the yellow in there. Not my favorite color, but it looks really nice with the other colors, I think. Now, I'm going to show you one last trick that we can do. And it involves my white crayon. Where is that? So for our last one, we're going to do something a little bit special. So I have this white crayon. So before I put it in there, I'm going to write something on my piece of paper. I know, I think I'm gonna not tell you guys and then you guys can read it at the end. Now, because I wrote this with a white crayon, you actually can't see anything right now. But wait until we put the paint on it, and then you'll see what I wrote. So let's see, what color should we add this time? I'm thinking light blue, definitely. Yep, I gotta add some light blue. I haven't used that one yet. So let's do some light blue. I'll do just a little bit of orange, just in one corner. And it'll be a nice bright color, but not a lot of it. So I'm just going to do this focused in one area, the orange. Be like one corner of it. One last color. What do I want to do? I think I'm going to try some royal blue. Okay, now I take my paintbrush and I'm going to swirl it around to make a design. This time, I think I'm going to try a heart shape. Let's see if it works. So we'll try a heart shape. Oh, maybe that's a little too big. I need to I'll draw a smaller heart on the inside too. In case we can't see this bigger heart. Okay, now I'm going to take my paper and I want the side that I wrote on with the crayon to be face down, okay? And you'll be able to feel it. So I'm going to put this down, gently smooth it, grab two of the ends and pull it up. Ew. And then I'll put it down here and we're going to scrape it off again. Oh, ah! It's in my hair! It's in my hair! Ooh, I like the orange in the corner. I think that turned out quite nicely. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hand at this point. Ugh. Ew. Okay, here we go. Oh, you can't quite read all of it, but you can see it. I bet all of you thought I wrote cats are the best. And you were almost right. Instead, I'm not sure if you guys can read it, but it says fluffy power. So, pretty much, basically, cats are the best. And it's true. So, that's how we're going to do marbling. I hope you guys are excited. And make sure to wear clothes that you don't mind if you get shaving cream on them. Because it will happen. You also might get a little paint on them too. So, no nice new clothes, no white clothes, no long sleeves. Wear older clothes. And then I will see you guys next week to do marbling. Bye guys!